it on right now, and it's got individually punched hair. That's real human hair stuff. And if it looks good, then I might use it to prank my fiance right now. Does that look real? Let's see. You gotta be delicate with this because it's just so expensive. Oh, it feels so weird on the inside. That punched hair feels so weird. Let's see. So here it is. How does it look?
It's terrifying. Honestly, it looks really real.
Let's go to the bathroom to try it on.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna get this shirt to put over it. Alright, come on, we're gonna try it on. And then, if this looks real, I'm going to prank my fiance with this right now. Because she does not know that I'm getting this. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. You never know how it's gonna look with the eye holes, though. I've got other, look at all the hair that's left over there. Okay. She's gonna freak out. She has no idea I got this. Okay. Let's see. I think you just gotta put it on when you stretch it from the side. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is a tight fit. Okay, wait. Okay. Is the back straight?
Yeah, I think there's supposed to be this fat crease.
Yeah, there's supposed to be. I think. How does the hair look? Does it look good?
Yeah, it does.
Does it look creepy?
It looks really creepy and very real.
Okay. Let me...
Oh, the lips even move.
Yeah, the lips move.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you can talk with it. You gotta be able to talk with it, right? So now, let's get this on.
Oh, wait, does it have nipple? It does.
Let's see. Okay. We'll see. I still sound like myself, though.
I don't know, you're kind of doing
It changes my voice a little bit.
It does.
All right. This is how it's gonna look. Let's prank her, right? Should I just walk in the room?
No. Go out to the front door.
Go outside.
Yeah.
I'll ring the bell. She'll come in.
Yeah.
Okay, so you hide.
Okay, I'll hide. Go.
All right. Oh, she's gonna freak out.
Yeah, she's gonna freak. God, it looks so real.
Wait, where's glass? Let me see. Where's the glass?
Oh, that's even better.
Does that look good?
Yeah, put him down on the nose a little bit further.
Like that?
Yeah.
Should I do this or sunglasses? Wait, let's see.
No, that looks good.
That's it.
Oh, well, I mean, that's pretty good, too.
Which is better? I'll do the right.
Glasses. Yeah.
Do those look on good?
Yeah, those are
Okay.
better.
Okay.
It's good to see that.
You hide behind me.
Okay. Can I help you, sir? Excuse me. I need to know what you're doing in my house.
It's a mask. It's a joke with Anna.
That is insane.
It's a mask. Wait, just be careful with that.
Yeah, this is us now.
Okay.
Oh,
It's a mask.
Oh my.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should be. Holy God.
Yeah, it's a good mask.
That is really intense.
Sorry.
Are you okay? Oh my God, that was almost kind of.
Kiss.
Oh no.
Kiss.
Oh no.
Come on, it's just your